BJP Dalit Morcha leader blamed KCR government for shielding rape accused. Demand for arrest of the Malakpet MLA Balal's associate for allegedly involving in molesting a Dalit girl is gaining momentum. The city police stoic silence too added to the anger of the state BJP leaders. State Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao's government come under sharp criticism for its stoic silence due to the failure of action against the accused in rape case. BJP's National Dalit Morcha Secretary Bangaru Shruti held a dharna in city demanding for action against MIM's Malakpet MLA Balal. She also expressed her anguish over the MIM legislators' uncharacteristic remarks posted in the Facebook. The accused Shakil, a follower of Balal, though arrested, was later released at the instance of MIM legislator. Shruti wondered why city police refused to act in spite of demands from various quarters, why no arrests were made, under whose pressure the city police refused to act, if not from the Chief Minister, as MIM happens to be the ruling party's electoral ally. She also criticized the MIM chief, who on the floors of the parliament says Jai Bhim after every speech of his in parliament, but outside reacts quite contrary on Dalit issues. If this is not duplicity of Asazuddin, then what else is this? Listen to her.
నా పేరు బంగారు శృతి, నేషనల్ ఎస్సీ మోర్చా సెక్రటరీ. ఇక్కడే చాదర్గఢ్లో కమల్ నగర్ అనే బస్తీలో ఒక దళిత అమ్మాయి పైన అత్యాచారం జరిగింది. 6వ తారీఖు రాత్రి అంటే 7వ తారీఖు తెల్లవారుజామున ఆ రోజు ఒక సాటి దళిత పిల్ల మీద అత్యాచారం చేసింది MIM బిలాల్ ఎమ్మెల్యే బలాల గారి అనుచరుడు షకీల్ అహ్మద్. ఆ పిల్లని పలకరించడానికి నేను వచ్చాను. ఆ రోజు సాటి ఒక దళిత మహిళలాగా ఒక దళిత పిల్ల మీద అత్యాచారం జరిగింది అనే దాని మీద వచ్చి ఆ అమ్మాయిని పలకరిస్తే ఆ రోజు మలక్పేట్ ఎమ్మెల్యే బలాలా గారు కూడా వచ్చారు. వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆయన ఎలాంటి వ్యాఖ్యలు చేశారో, ఒక లీడర్ మీద, ఒక దళిత మహిళ మీద ఎలాంటి వ్యాఖ్యలు చేశారో ఆయన ఫేస్బుక్లో మీరు వెళ్ళి చూడొచ్చు. నేను 7వ తారీఖు వచ్చాను, 8వ తారీఖు అది ఫేస్బుక్లో నేను చూడడం జరిగింది. ఆయన నా పేరు తీసంగానే అక్కడున్న ఆయన అనుచరులు కానీ లేకపోతే పోలీస్ వాళ్ళు అక్కడ ఎవరెవరు వచ్చారు అని అంటే వీళ్ళు వచ్చారు. అందులో బంగారు లక్ష్మణ్ గారి అమ్మాయి శృతి కూడా వచ్చింది అన్న వెంటనే డైరెక్ట్గా ఎమ్మెల్యే గారు ఏ సబ్ చోర్ హై, 3rd క్లాస్ వాళ్ళే అని మాట్లాడారు. ఏంటిది? ఒకవైపున MIM సుప్రీమో అసౌద్దీన్ ఓవైసీ గారేమో పార్లమెంటులో ప్రమాణ స్వీకారం చేసేటప్పుడు లాస్ట్లో జై భీమ్ అని అంటాడు.
That the city police inaction was also evident from reports of frequent COVID-19 lockdown violations in the Old City during nationwide lockdown. Old City in Hyderabad continues to be the fiefdom of MIM and city police remains a helpless lot due to the ruling party's political understanding. Interestingly, former MP from Peddapalli, Vivek Venkateswamy too, strongly condemned the unwarranted attack on his party colleague Shruti. He finds fault with the Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao as the ruling party is in the hand in glove with MIM and thus not acting against MIM.
Recently, a rape of a Dalit girl by Shakil in Old City created flutter across the state of Telangana. All the Dalits were feeling that severe action should be taken against Shakil. However, the MIM MLA came and created a ruckus and said that both the BJP Mahila President, Shruti, and the other SC community leaders are creating a ruckus in the old city. Rape of a Dalit woman is not a small issue. To speak of such invectives against Dalit leaders by MIM MLA is very, very poor in taste. We strongly condemn this behavior of the MIM MLA. The Chief Minister is hand in glove with MIM, so the police is not taking any action. The police is working as the private army of TRS leaders and their associates, especially in the old city. We demand from BJP side that the MLA withdraw these remarks against Mrs. Shruti, who is a senior BJP leader and daughter of our reputed Mr. Bangaru Lakshman Garu. We demand from the Chief Minister that an apology be given to the Dalit leaders to say that they are unnecessarily raising this issue when they should have had sympathy with the Dalit girls to see that such incidents do not occur. I strongly condemn this behavior of the MIM leaders.
Interestingly, Shruti is also happens to be the daughter of one of the BJP's tallest leader, Bangaru Lakshman. He was the first tallest Dalit leader in the predominant upper caste BJP. He was also known as the noble person and had also not defied the party's directive as a disciplined soldier, whom he was asked to take on the mighty Congress nominee and former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao from Nandyala Lok Sabha constituency in the by-polls. Meanwhile, Orange News 9 TV gathers that KCR government has finally reacted to Shruti's demand and slapped a case against MIM's Malakpet MLA Balal. But does KCR government has the courage to arrest him as the SC/ST case is non-bailable and willing to face the wrath of AIAMA leadership? Otherwise, slapping a case is only an eyewash. If not, it's another political sham. This is K. Ramakrishna for Orange News 9 TV.